Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today I wanted to show you these crystal bell jar tags. These are available as a printable from my Etsy store and the kit comes with 8 different crystals. So today I just wanted to show you how I've pictured how I would like these to go together. You of course can be as creative as you like with this, but what you will need is a piece of plastic. I've just grabbed something from some packaging. I like to collect these because I find that these little pieces of plastic come in handy for a lot of things. So you'll need a piece like similar to this. You can use a protective sleeve, you can use some acetate sheets, or you can recycle like I am here. Okay, so in the kit there's also a sheet at the beginning that gives you some instructions on how to put these together, and it comes with a template. So we're going to cut out this template and use that to cut a piece of plastic, and then we're going to lay that over the top so that we can put our crystal inside the bell jar. Okay, so I'll put all of these ones aside and I'll just use the amethyst one today to show you. So sit back and follow along and I'll put this together for you. So I mentioned before that the kit comes with 8 different crystals. I've only put a couple together today to show you how these work. The kit also comes with a sheet of smaller crystal bell jar tags that you can use in your journals however you like. Thank you for watching this KILA Printables tutorial. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me today as I put together these crystal bell jars. Don't forget to check the description down below for links to my Etsy store, and come and find my Facebook group where you can join in lots of crafting fun and download a stack of freebies.